Here are 5 gender-to-neutral side hustles perfect for high school students. With or without a truck, some work better with one but can still be done creatively with help. Each hustle includes realistic earnings and descriptive breakdowns to help get started fast. Disclaimer: some of the jobs, gigs, or opportunities mentioned may require participants to be at least 18 years old. Always check specific requirements before applying. There are no guarantees of income, and individual results may vary based on effort, experience, and other factors. Please use caution and good judgment when exploring any opportunity. Your safety and well-being come first. Always verify legitimacy and never share personal information unless you're sure the source is trustworthy. Also, before I forget, I am not a real boy. I am AI generated. Number 1. Hauling items that don't fit in a car. Tools used. Access to a truck or trailer. Your own or borrowed or rented. What it is: pick up and deliver furniture, yard waste, junk, moving boxes, or other bulky items people can't fit in their cars. Great for neighbors or Facebook Marketplace sellers. Estimated income: $30 to $100 per job depending on size and distance. Dump run or furniture move: $50 average. Weekend earnings: 3 to 5 hauls equals $150 to $500. Monthly potential: $500 to $1,300. How to succeed: advertise locally. Got stuff too big for your car? I'll haul it. Offer flat rates or hourly to load. Deals: combine with dump run service to boost earnings. No truck? Partner with a friend who has one and split profits 50-50. Number 2. Blowing off driveways, walkways, and patios. Tools used: leaf blower, broom, optional. What it is: quick cleanup service to remove leaves, dirt, acorns, or pollen from hard surfaces. Helps homeowners keep their homes looking sharp without yard work. Estimated income: $10 to $25 per home. 10 to 20 minutes of work for 2-6 homes or day equals $40 to $150. Day. Monthly potential: $300 to $900. How to succeed: offer this as a standalone or an add-to onto other services. Use quiet times like early evenings or weekends. Upsell with seasonal deals like keep your porch spotless all fall to $50 a month. Number 3. Rolling on water seal for decks and fence tools used. Paint roller, water seal. Client supplies were included in your fee. Gloves. What it is: apply a protective water seal to decks, fences, or wooden porches to help prevent weather damage. Easier and less messy than painting. Estimated income: $50 to $150 per job depending on size. 1 to 3 hours. Deck and fence combo: $200 plus. 2 to 3 jobs a week equals $300 to $600. Monthly potential: $800 to $1,200. How to succeed: offer to use the client's product or include it in your price. Focus on good weather days, no rain or heavy wind. Use painter's tape and wear old clothes. Pro tip: offer before school starts or end of summer specials. Number 4. Hanging and taking down Christmas lights. Tools used: ladder, clips. Client may provide safety gear, gloves, non-to-slip shoes. What it is: install or remove holiday lights on homes, trees, or fences. Most people hate doing this, especially taking them down in January. Estimated income: $50 to $200 per job depending on house size and height. Remove to only service: $40 to $75. Peak season: 3 jobs a day equals $150 to $500 a day. Seasonal potential: $1,000 to $3,000 plus in 1 to 2 months. How to succeed: start offering services in early November and again in January for takedown. Emphasize safety: never go higher than your gear allows. Offer 2 label lights and wrap them neatly for next year. Bonus idea: offer a holiday cleanup bundle with driveway blowing and yard touch-to-ups. Number 5. Dump and landfill runs. Tools used: truck or trailer. Gloves, possibly a tarp. What it is: haul unwanted junk, branches, bags of trash, old furniture, or remodeling debris to the local dump or landfill. Many cities charge a small dumping fee, so account for that. Estimated income: $50 to $100 per load, depending on weight and distance. Add dump fee: $10 to $100 if paid by client. 2 to 3 loads per day equals $100 to $300. Monthly potential, $500 to $2,500. How to succeed? Be clear on what you can or can't haul. No chemicals, tires, etc. Offer pickup plus dump as a package deal. Upsell. Want me to sweep out the garage too? Combine this hustle with yard cleanups or moving help for more money in one trip. Final tips for all 5 side hustles. Create a basic price list to share on your phone or as a flyer. Offer bundle discounts. Haul plus blow off driveway equals $10 off. Take before and after pics to build a portfolio. Promote smart. Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, and good old-fashioned flyers in mailboxes or community boards.